What I wanted to do was remove this DB killer on the SC S1 exhaust, and I couldn't find anywhere online that showed how to take this DB killer out. So here's the DB killer out. What you first have to do is you have to measure where that screw is down to the carbon to drill a small hole, which I've done with this one. I measured that out. I have the measurement in the video. Take a small drill bit, drill a small hole, and then take this little grinding tip and start the hole to grind it, and then I used a little bit larger grinding tip to get the hole the size to get the screw out. So here's the screw that you're going to take out. Obviously I've already taken this DB killer out of the one exhaust. The DB killer is slid in here. Well, a lot of people want to take a pair of pliers or channel locks and pull this out. The easiest way, what I found, or at least one way, if you have a tool like this, you have a socket on it, and it can have any kind of blunt end, but basically what you do, I use this T-handle, I slid it through the DB killer, so inside the exhaust, and I knocked it out. So basically I was taking it, knocking it out like this, and then the DB killer popped out. That's the easiest way and the best way, I think, or at least one way to get the DB killer out without damaging the metal around it. Hope this helps, and good luck. Draw a straight line. What was that measurement? 44?
I think it was 45.03 or 40, yeah, 45.02.